Hello, my angels, my dears. This is Angel, and welcome to my channel and to another Techniques Tuesday. For today's technique, I'll be making a classic remoulade sauce. This recipe is coming from Larousse Gastronomique, which is considered the culinary world's greatest encyclopedia. If you attended culinary school or had any classical culinary training, you would have heard of this book or seen it. Well, I'll let you get to the recipe. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll talk to you later. The recipe calls for 3 tablespoons of chopped herbs, which included tarragon and chervil, which I wasn't able to find either one of. So instead I used 1.5 tablespoons to 2 tablespoons of each of these. If you're able to find all 4 herbs, I would suggest you use 1/2 tablespoon of each one of those. All right, I'll let you get back to the video. I'll talk to you later, and I hope you enjoy. If you're still with me, thank you for hanging around. If you'd like to get a head start on what next videos I'll be having, why don't you check me out on Instagram? That's at Angel Culinary Kitchen, and you'll see what I have in store next on this channel. Absolutely delicious. Use this remoulade sauce as a dip for your fried seafood. Thank you so much for staying to the very end. If you like this technique, give me a like, that's a thumbs up. Share it on any media platform. Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed to my channel. Hey, what are you waiting for? And if you are one of my subscribers, make sure you've hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I have any new uploads. My angels, my dears, try to be the blessing to someone today. And as always, as I leave you, I say many blessings and much favor until we meet again. See you next time.